You know, turn around and run the other way.
You feel better? You feel so better? Look at her, look at her. Yeah, you not try to buy something. Come here.
Heather's like, come on, let's go back to the car.
No. Heather, come here.
Heather's like, I'm tired, let's all go back.
Heather, stay here. She not listen.
Heather, come.
Heather, no. Heather, come here. We still not go. She's so white and she's so cute, you know? No?
Yeah.
She's so cute.
Uh-huh.
But Hannah, but you so cute too. So cute. Hannah, so cute. Hannah, so cute. Don't bite. Hannah, don't bite.
They sure like going to the park. Heather, you like the park? Yeah, you like it, don't you?
I like to talk to.
Harry, what are you doing? Get over here.
Harry think I do anything I'm wrong. Right?
Yeah.
Do. You try to bite.
Oh, man, I just couldn't get up on that thing. Hannah.
Hannahบอก, what? Oh, good girl. Hannah, pee-pee. Hannah, pee-pee, good girl. Look.
Harry, come on.
Hannah is so happy.
She sure loves being outside.
Yeah. Good girl.
Yes.
Hannah, wait. Good girl. Hannah, come.
Come here.
Tila, can you call Heather?
Call Hannah, honey.
No, Heather. She want to run.
Heather, ready?
Heather, Hannah, come. Good girl. Oh, no. Good girl. Good. Oh.
Heather, come.
Oh.
Yeah. So where are you going, Mom?
Hannah, come here. Heather, come here.
Ready? Let me throw the stick for Harry. Harry, ready? Go get it. He passed it. Bring it.
Yes.
Good boy.
Wait. Hannah, be careful.
We are ready to cross over on the ferry from Galveston to Bolivar. I think that's how you pronounce it.
I already bit feel same the one area that we go before.
Yeah, this one's a little bigger though. A little longer trip across. Harry's here. Harry, we gonna go on the ferry?
And
Yeah.
look at two girls.
Yeah.
Hannah.
Heather.
They be excited to can run. Ooh, this you see the one both we see from the one
wow.
area,
Oh yeah.
right? The
Yeah.
same.
Yep. Oh man, too bad we're not on that cruise line right now. That looks so cool. Okay, we are now on the ferry.
Wait, Harry.
Wow. We're now on,
What's wrong ferry.
We're now on the ferry. We're gonna head over to Bolivar, Peninsula, leaving from Galveston. And beautiful day today.
Yes.
And
Maybe the first day, beautiful.
we're gonna hit the beach again. Sue's gonna get in her bikinis. So we're looking forward to that.
Start from beginning. See?
Yep. Yeah, look at Heather's face over there.
And Hannah, she start to change the color a little bit.
Her hair's starting to change color.
Yes.
I'm gonna go get a snack.
So what time have
Mensaje de emergencia. Su atención, por favor. En la cubierta y en varios otros lugares se encontrará palizas de la nieve. Gracias. Y que tenga un día que sea muy agradable.
Okay, we're pulling onto the beach. This is Crystal Beach. And more people. It's a little hazy today, but still nice out. Oh, you can see the guys up there. There's two of them up there this time. Yeah, there's two of them. There's another one up there. Yeah.
You eat already.
Breakfast is ready. Wow, that looks so good. Thanks, babe.
This guy fishing it out.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like you got more than me. You trying to cheat me here? Honey, can you, out of the front seat, can you give me the lid?
Okay.
Okay. We got a water spigot here, which is amazing because you hardly ever see it on the beaches, and most of the time you just see the showers here. So you got a water spigot here, which is kind of unusual to see on the beach, because normally you just have these showers right here, and this is great. Easy to fill up our bucket, to fill up our tank. If you had an RV, you probably could pull in here and pull that in too. Pour that in. So this water right here is going to be for showers tonight. We've been able to take showers almost every night,
Yeah.
which is nice.
But so easy, you know?
Yeah, it's great. Just a little cold because we're doing it outside in the air, but hey, it feels good. All right, we're putting in the new propane tank. Oh, not new, but exchange. And we tighten these clamps. That hold it in. All right, we're set.